The library website has a lot of different resources on it that will help you in doing any sort of research project. This will give you a little bit of background on how to use the website and where to find what you need. First, you'll see that there's a search bar right up at the top called CSearch. This will search most of our databases simultaneously, so you won't have to go into every single individual database as you do your search. You can just type in your search terms here, select whether it's a keyword, title, or author that you're looking for, and you can also go into advanced search if you're trying to use more of the search bars and search functionality. When you scroll down, you'll see a few different resources listed toward the bottom of the page. First is the library catalog. That's where you can find all of the physical items that we have here in the library. And second is electronic resources, and that will give you a list of all the different databases and individual journal subscriptions that we have. You'll definitely want to take a look at the electronic resources in addition to doing the search from the CSearch bar at the top of the page, because there are some databases that aren't reflected there. You can take a look at MainCat, which shows many of the books throughout the state of Maine if you need to request something from another library. WorldCat lets you know where books are held all around the world in libraries. eBooks on EBSCO is a database specifically of business ebooks that you can access from anywhere. The Cloud Library has a lot of leisure reading on it, both ebooks and audiobooks, so that's definitely something that you might want to take a look at, especially for just leisure reading. And Citation Guides is a list of helpful resources to help you learn how to cite documents and articles and books in a wide variety of formats. So you can access any one of these from our home page. And we also have some things here on the left-hand toolbar. A lot of them are the same. You can see the electronic resources, the catalog, and the citation guides. You can take a look at how to use the One Button Studio here in the library, which does video recording. You can get straight to your library account page, which is part of the library catalog. Take a look at the course reserves we have here at the library. And one really useful item is the interlibrary loan page. If there's an article or book that you need access to that we don't have here at the library or we don't have access to through our databases, you can fill out this form with information about you and the item that you're requesting and submit that. I'll then get that as an email, find the item for you if possible, and get it to you as quickly as possible. If there's an item that you really think that we should own, that maybe we've missed in our acquisitions process, always feel free to put in a request here through our item suggestion page. When you go to the library catalog, you'll be able to search for all those physical items, both here and at all the other libraries that are part of our shared catalog. You can scroll down to see specifically what we have, and you can adjust how you're searching for the item depending on the information that you have about it. You can also go straight to My Library account to see what you have checked out. Here you'll put in your first and last name and your library barcode with the prefix MMA. So it'll be MMA and then the 9-digit barcode on the back of your ID card. From there you'll be able to see the items that you have checked out, you'll be able to renew them if possible, and you'll be able to see anything that you've requested from other libraries. The electronic resources page that I mentioned before also has the CSearch bar at the top, and then a list of all these different databases that we have access to, in addition to some individual subscriptions to specific journals and other magazines or newspapers. Some of these just aren't searched for through the CSearch bar, so if you're looking for something specific, or especially something business related or newspaper, then you'll definitely want to use some of these. And you can always contact the library to get specific recommendations of databases that you'll want to search for your topic. Of course, also on the right-hand side is all of our contact information, our library hours, and links to our Facebook and Twitter pages so that you can keep in touch with us. Hope this was helpful. Always contact the library if you have any questions or you're having trouble finding anything.